order from Chick-fil-A?
Chicken minis.
And how much time do you have to get to them?
8 minutes.
8 minutes? You think you can do it?
Maybe. Why?
Just wondering.
Why?
Just wondering. Alright, now welcome to today's episode of Noah's Videos. Right now we have my girlfriend on the phone and she's very obsessed with her chicken minis from Chick-fil-A. So, right now she's trying to order that and it's pretty funny, so I might film it a little bit longer. Something's wrong with your card?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Noah, this is really not the time for your unsupportive tone.
It's not unsupportive.
It is. I can hear you getting ready to laugh.
No, it's not.
Noah.
I'm also gonna put you on my YouTube video, but that's gonna be awesome.
What?
You're gonna be part of my intro.
I think. You're going to hell. I hope you know that.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So right now we're heading to class. I got 2 classes of the day. One of them might be canceled, I'm not 100% sure. But as many of you know, I had a huge exhaust leak earlier this week, and that's really why I haven't been filming too much. I had to get that done and fixed, and I had an exam Thursday, which is now yesterday, that I had to study for all week, and I did good on it, but I had to take some time and get all that stuff done. So without further ado, this is the closest thing you'll get to a cold start right now. It is very cold out, but I'm not getting out of this car to listen to the exhaust. There we go. Oh, it's good to have the car back. There we go. Alright, so from now on, I'm gonna head on to class. Okay, so right now we're sitting in the garage at my university, and I don't want to sound like a terrible person, but all the Arabs are here with their nice cars. There's a brand new Mustang GT. This one person, I'm not going. This one BMW owner thinks I'm gonna leave. No little white girl. Then we got a Chrysler 300 coming up here. All these are like brand new and SRTs and RTs and GTs and every T that you can think of. It's what money gets you, guys. It's what money gets you.
Got it. I don't think that I can get over all of my problems. I've been thinking who the fuck am I to disagree? I heard I'm pretty dope, so I guess I gotta oblige inside. I've been plotting on the way that we could elevate. I massacre the track with your skill, I never hesitate. I put a lot of time into the craft to make it resonate. I regulate with repetition, I could be the greatest. But ever me illogical, the other have a later. Practice all the patience that I got in my attendant mind. I minimize the ignorance, so when
my car. We'll scare real quick. See if that'll freak him out a little bit.
Pursue the purpose that I'm pleading for and need a more than pity. Many minuscule opinions picking apart the immaculate, happily apathetic and naturally authentic. Descendants is sentimental like the words are just a piece of my soul. I transcend into the artist that I want to be. I demonstrate my dominance and derelict with dialect. My etiquette is excellence. I dedicate my all to this. I solemnly swear it. I serenade with selections of different cadences to kill it. Really invested in this and anyone that wants to.
Okay, so right now I just did a quick little video for another video. Some guy had requested to show him how the brush guard had been mounted, and I just did that. Real quick video, 5-minute video tops. So we just had to get that out of the way. That will be edited and posted soon. I'm not sure. I'll probably put this one out before the other video. So that being said, let's get on in the Escape and head on out. I think I'm gonna head home. I got quite a little bit of homework to do. I got a big exam on Monday, so I got to do 2 things of homework for that over the weekend and do a lot of studying to get all the chapters covered and make sure I'm on point with it. So I will try to do as much content as possible this weekend, but no promises. I need to get stuff done. That's just how it is. Okay, so we are actually right about where I used to park on my freshman year. Where I park the Escape usually on freshman year. So right now I've always wanted to get a shot right next to the Coliseum. So we are on the grass, and I need to make sure that we do this quick because usually tour groups come up here and drive around. So that being said, I need to get out of the car, take the picture quick, and we'll go from there. So let's see what I can do. now that is done, we can go back to the apartment. I'm really glad no tour group came up here because this would be quite embarrassing because they literally just pull up right on this road in a big tour bus and then they talk about the Coliseum. So, time to, or not Coliseum, the stadium. I've been calling it the Coliseum. The stadium. I've been wanting to get a shot with the stadium. Alright, so now we're gonna try to get on out of here. Hop off this ledge. It's gonna be quite interesting. I'm really hoping I don't break anything. Alright, I'm off, I think. Quickly. Here you go. Get off, or go over here. Take a quick shot of this. Alright. And we are golden. Golden! Sometimes I really just like to go around here and see what type of cars people have. Got some pretty noticeable Renegade, 4Runner, Jeep. What else we got? Got a nice little WRX up here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. There's a Mustang behind it. What else? We got a Ford F-150, a Mariner. Shout out to Anthony, except he sold his. What else we got? Sorry about the wind, I know. Oh, another WRX over there. Let's see. Hatch. I love those things. Those things are so nice. Land Rover, Range Rover, whatever the hell you want to call it. Archer Farms. That's cool. Hey, an Escape. Escape Gang, Ohio. 11 or 12. I don't know if it's a GT or not. But, okay, wait. There's the 4Runner. Pretty nice. Alright, that's just a V6. And then we got this Challenger over here. It's a GT. Wow. So that's the all-wheel drive Challenger. Smart up here, but I wonder how fast it actually is. College of Engineering. Of course. We got a 3. So this over here is actually the law school. So you got a lot of people with some money up here. It's really nice. Oh, I love that grill insert. That's nice. Alright, so I'm being pretty fat today and I just decided to eat a little bit of McDonald's. I got a they now have the Shamrock Shake back again, so that's fantastic. I used to love those things. Like, one of my favorite times of year is when you can get the Shamrock Shake. Some people find it absolutely disgusting. I find it great. So I got that and the burger. I am starving. I haven't eaten any breakfast and it's about like 1:30 and I'm hungry. Very, very hungry. So I'm gonna get that, eat that. It's gonna be yum. Gonna be yummy. And then I guess I'm just gonna go back to the apartment and chill for a little bit. I'm gonna show you all the video here soon where I got the what do you call it? The exhaust leak. So I'll show you a video clip of that. Hold on 1 second. Alright, moving on up. I have to grab my food. I'm hella excited. Hey, how are you? Thank you so much. You too. I got my food. I got my shake. Now it's time to go back. I think I'm gonna start on my homework. Maybe hang out for a little bit. I am gonna have to start studying for my exam here on Monday, but I gotta start doing that tonight. I'm thinking I probably won't start studying really until about 8 o'clock tonight. Maybe later. I'm not really sure. Maybe 6 or 7-ish. None of my roommates are going to be back, so that could be a good time to start. And, yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, I'll see you all back at the apartment. We are back in my apartment, my room. So I just wanted to show you guys the really bad exhaust leak that I have. I posted this on Modified Escape Owners, my personal, or not really personal, but I run this page. So this was one of the clips, and it's playing through the sound bar. So I mean, it should at least pick up some of the sound, but it was recorded on my iPhone, so yeah, it's safe to say that sounded like a straight tractor. Now let's see, I got one more clip. So it was coming right out at the exhaust manifolds. They were leaking pretty bad. So I was just getting like straight fumes into the cabin from the engine bay. So it was pretty bad. I'm glad I fixed it. But now I know you guys might be saying, Noah, I thought you had MSD headers. Why didn't you put those on? The shop wouldn't do it. I still have my car titled in Virginia, and we still have emissions. They wouldn't do it in order to protect themselves from like legal reasons and stuff. So yeah, I understand from the shop. I totally get it. Once I do register my car here in West Virginia, I think I will do the headers, delete the cats, go full just straight pipe. But until then, that's just how it's going to be. But right now it does sound fantastic. I love the way my muffler and resonator delete sounds. I think I will be doing another kind of walk around video of my Escape and kind of show off what everything I've done. I've gotten a request for that, so I know it's been probably 4 months since the last one. I know it's not that drastic of a change, but somebody wants to talk about the brush guard and everything else that is done to the car. I know people can go watch the last video, but I mean, if y'all want it, y'all want it. If y'all don't want it, just comment down in the description or in the comments and I'll hold off on the video. It's as simple as that. Alright, so unfortunately we didn't really do anything else today. I've been editing this video and studying and doing some homework today, so really I haven't done anything else tonight. I might go out and try to do a photo shoot or something like that, but honestly it's really cold out and really windy. So unfortunately I don't think that's gonna happen. But I do want to just kind of close out the video right now. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it, and I think we are at 157 subscribers, I do believe. So freaking awesome, guys. If we can get, I think I set my goal for 200 subscribers by April 30th, and I think we might actually be able to do that. So thank you all for watching. Share this video if you liked it. I know this wasn't that eventful. It's more of a vlog style day in the life video, I guess. But yeah, so if y'all liked it, share it. If y'all liked it, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, tell me what you would like to see in the next video. Till next time.